Come test drive the 2017 Malibu. A combination of performance and fuel economy, the Malibu is a great commuting car and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, Bluetooth, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, one owner, backup camera, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.